शिवोऽहं 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 शिवोऽहम्.
Is Rajamatangi, Matangi Devi in Das Mahavidya are same goddess? The mantras are different, also the color. Raja Shamala Mantrini is a dark bluish in color. As a Mahavidya, she is a emerald green. Which form can I visualize while doing the chakra meditation of Raja Matangi? Thank you once again. You see, already I have answered this in the previous question from a different student. See, Divine Mother manifests in a different forms. In Matangi, minimum she has 8 forms. And every form, the consciousness is different, application is different. If I simplify and explain you the Sattvic form, Rajo form, Tamasic form. Tamasic is a Uchishta Chandali, Rajo is the Das Mahavidya Matangi, Satvik is the Raja Shamala. Okay? In our, this sadhana, we have given a Raja Shamala picture to you. You need to visualize that and do the sadhana. Okay?
शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम्.